Hi, my name is Alex. I am your AI-generated presenter of Cost Data, and today I'll be guiding you through an introduction to our company and the value we bring to our clients. The first point on our agenda is the company introduction. Established in 1997 in Cologne, Cost Data focuses on cost engineering and management. For more than 25 years, we have improved profitability and transparency for businesses in development, purchasing, controlling, and sales with our solutions. We offer market data analysis, software solutions, and consulting. Our services are divided into four main areas. Market data. We offer the world's largest database of cost and price data, enabling companies to estimate product costs and validate supplier offers. Software. Our leading product costing tool helps businesses calculate product costs efficiently. Consulting. We provide tailored consulting services, including cost analysis, supplier workshops, quotation reviews, and competitiveness assessments. Workshops. We offer training in cost and value engineering, covering basic to advanced strategies for product costing, estimation, and optimization. We support various departments within organizations to better understand their cost structures and ultimately enhance profitability through improved cost transparency. We work closely with cost engineering, procurement, product development, management, finance, controlling, and sales departments to provide valuable insights and actionable data. With over 25 years of experience, we have worked with a wide range of industries, including automotive, mechanical engineering, aerospace and defense, household appliances, consumer goods, energy, etc. Our expertise has enabled us to support clients in optimizing their costs and improving their competitive position in these sectors. Data security is a top priority for us at Cost Data. Our solutions meet the highest security standards to ensure the protection of your data at all times. We offer flexible solutions with both on-premise and cloud options to meet your specific needs. Additionally, our software enables secure data exchange between your internal database and our benchmark data. We take pride in our strong partnerships, which allow us to offer tailored solutions to companies worldwide. As an official SAP partner, our clients benefit from cutting-edge technology and extensive expertise developed over many years of collaboration with leading companies. Market data. Our Cost Data market data provides average costs and prices for various industries, enabling competitive price comparisons. This data covers material prices, machine data, personnel costs, and location-related costs. It is continuously updated to reflect market changes and offers detailed insights to help companies validate their pricing strategies. Our market data includes over 33,000 metal alloys, 14,000 plastics, and 3,500 other materials. We provide CO2 data, historical pricing, and simulation tools. This helps companies manage material costs effectively. Our database has 13,500 machines and 500 technologies with specs like cost, space, and consumption. This data helps evaluate machinery cost-effectiveness and optimize production. We provide personnel cost data for over 4,100 regions and more than 20 industries. This includes wages, salaries, and additional labor costs. Our data helps companies ensure they are competitive in terms of labor costs and enables them to manage workforce expenses effectively. Our market data includes costs for electricity, gas, water, and spaces. With data from over 130 countries, companies can assess costs and decide on facility locations. Calculation software. The Cost Data calculation software allows for fast, flexible, and transparent product cost calculations. It includes simulations for cost drivers, quantities, and relocations. The software integrates our market data and offers detailed, transparent results, enabling companies to track their cost structures and make informed decisions. Our software includes modules such as cost driver analysis, relocation simulations, and contribution margin calculations, which help optimize product costs and profitability. It also features CO2 footprint calculations, cycle time calculators with automatic machine selection, and tooling cost calculators. Integration with SAP and ERP systems ensures seamless data exchange. Consulting. Our consulting services provide expert support tailored to your needs. We offer cost calculations, market analysis, supplier workshops, and quotation reviews to ensure that all cost-saving opportunities are identified. Our consulting services help clients achieve their cost optimization goals with transparent and actionable insights. Together with the Institute of Cost Engineering, CostData offers training programs in various areas such as cost engineering, product costing, cost estimation, and target costing. These programs ensure that your teams are equipped with the knowledge and skills necessary for effective cost management. Our recommended process for achieving maximum success includes cross-departmental workshops on cost sensitivity, detailed product calculations, and supplier workshops to unlock cost-saving potential. We support companies at every stage, from initial analysis to negotiation support with suppliers. Thank you for your attention. If you would like to learn more about our services or how we can help your company optimize its costs, please don't hesitate to contact us using the information provided.